Number 3 on my list for getting free traffic to your affiliate offers is going to be blogging, but not just blogging, using blogs to generate traffic on a platform I love called Pinterest. Now, before I show you how to get free traffic with blogs using Pinterest, I want to first tell you why you should start a blog. Now, if you're just like me, I shied away from it in the beginning because it's a lot of work and I wasn't real good with writing. But today there's AI technology that can literally create an entire blog for you in a matter of seconds. But here's a few reasons why you should consider blogging to incorporate into your traffic strategy with affiliate marketing. One of the reasons is because blogging positions you as an expert. A blog is a great way to show off your expertise on a subject and establish your authority. If you write a good blog in a tight niche, you will quickly become well known in that niche and become a go-to authority on that subject. And being known as an expert and an authority in your niche can open all sorts of doors for you. For example, media opportunities, brand partnerships, sponsored posts, and more. But the number one reason you should start a blog for your business is because Google loves blogs. In fact, all search engines love blogs. If you're an affiliate marketer and you have a product or some services or even offers that you want to reach a wider audience, then blogging is a must. Search engines like Google love websites that deliver regular high-quality blog content, and they'll even reward you for it on higher search engine rankings on the topics that your blog is about. All you have to do is a Google search on any topic and you'll see tons of blogs pop up in the results. For example, I put how to make money online with affiliate marketing, and as you can see, the first things that pop up outside of ads are all going to be blogs. And there are tons of these blogs, as you can see. Now, if the big businesses are doing them, then you should do them too. But here's a quick example. 26 high-paying affiliate programs for beginners. If you click this, it's going to take you to this company's blog. Inside their blogs, they're sprinkling all of the copy with affiliate links. And you should be doing the same thing too with your own blog, especially if it's absolutely free and it's going to generate a lot of traffic to your affiliate products and offers. Now, there are tons of free blogging websites on the internet. I won't go through them all, but I will give you my top 5. Find the one that you like that works best for you and your business, sign up for your free account, and then create your first blog. Now, after you create your blog, make sure you create your free Pinterest account, set up your profile, and create your first pin. As you can see on Pinterest, there are already tons of other people who are doing the same thing. Use their pins as inspiration to create your own pin to drive traffic to your blog, which will send people to your affiliate offers. Now, starting out, it's best to pick a niche and stay inside that niche until you've grown. But here's an example right here. If we click on this pin, it's going to open up. And as you can see, it's going to give us 10 fast weight loss tips if you weigh 200 pounds or more. So this person has niched down to the health niche, showing people how to lose weight. But watch what happens when we click the link in their pin. It takes you straight to their blog where she's going more in depth about how to lose weight fast with her tips. And if you scroll down further, you'll see in her ad, she sprinkled it with her products and her services and her offers. For example, here's one of her products on how to lose 10 to 21 pounds in 21 days. And when you click on it, it's going to take you to her product. Now, to create a pin like this that'll drive traffic to your blog and then to your affiliate offers, inside your Pinterest account, click on Create Pin, and it's going to take you inside the editor. Now, here is where you're going to upload the image or the video for your pin. You can design one inside Canva. Now, I won't go super in depth on how to create a Pinterest pin because I've already done a video about that. Check it out as it's popping up on the screen. I'll also leave a link down below this video. But once you've created your pin inside Canva for free, upload it to Pinterest. Make sure you give it a title, which is going to be the title of your blog. Give it a nice description, and then put the link to your blog that people can click on to get more information about. Lastly, choose a board, add some tags, and when you're done, click publish.